Well, here's the starting. Like I said, we're going to be roasting a pig for my uncle's birthday. And there he goes. They killed it. I actually didn't want to show the killing anyway, because viewer discretion advised for that. But this is Tongan culture, and we're going to celebrate our uncle's birthday today and have a good feast. And we got him a cake, some ice cream for the kids, and just celebrate our uncle's 61st birthday with a lot of love. Coming back from America, and we are ready. Got the haka going. Another haka. Man, that's a big pot. You could put a human in there. Back to work. Uncle's finishing up the box so that way he could get his son's storage box for school ready. So they're letting the pig soak, and once that hot water hits it, it's easy for them to just scrape off the hair real easy. Make it a lot easier. I'll show you what he's doing. That's as simple as it is. Boil some water, drop the pig in it, and pushi ulu, pull the hair off. These kids are gonna get famous. They're gonna get famous by everybody knowing they're my Nuku Nuku nephews. Thank you for viewing. And to my wife, back in the States, I've already did what you asked. So I gave him his little spending birthday money, and we're gonna have this pig here today in celebration of his 61st birthday. And this is Tongan lifestyle, and I can't wait to sit here and be permanently here living like this. He's pulling the toenails off the pig right now. These guys, they've been doing this since they were kids. If I try to ask my American kids to come do this, they say, "Dad, where do we start? What do we do? Where do we cut the pig's stomach? How do we get the hair off?" They don't know nothing. American kids that are Tongan, 90% of them don't know how to do this. I would love for my grandchildren to learn to do this. for my update. I just came from town, and looking forward to either tonight and meeting up with the middleman for the leasing the property, and then tomorrow I should be able to hopefully look for some property. These pigs are so delicious. They're totally different than American pigs. And they eat good coconut, good healthy organic food here. Tele water, shaving the pig. And we have no rights to the music. If that's an issue, we have no rights to the music. But in Tonga, there's no such thing as suing each other. So if this person was here, I don't think they'd be happy that their music is playing in the background more than angry. Thank you, Monet. Thank you. Happy birthday, Now, I know my uncle's 61. He probably doesn't want us to sing happy birthday, but guess what? We're going to do it anyway. Only because I know my wife. She makes sure everybody that ever lived under our roof, our grandchildren and our kids, every birthday they have a cake. Every birthday we sing happy birthday to them. So I'm going to continue that here. And enjoyed being here for my nephew's 11th birthday. Thank you for viewing. If you see what you like and it brings back good memories for you of being back here in the island, please feel free to push like, subscribe, and share. I still got some places to go to and video for people that ask me comments and places to go and look for people for them here in the island. So they're here locally in the village of Nuku Nuku, so I'll eventually video them and record them for those commenting viewers. And I appreciate you. It's gonna fly later. My niece just played a trick on her brother. She said, "Hey, open your hand. Uncle gave you some money." And when he opened his hand, she dropped a caterpillar in his hand. Everybody's fast at work doing something. She's inside making the tortillas. Boys are getting their pigs ready. Uncle's getting his son's box ready for school. It's a great day in the kingdom. And this is our new pig, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Lucy. I'll come and feed her every day, make sure she got little things here and there. Eating watermelon right now for some hydration. And this pig is now lonely. You're lucky you were the female, or we would have ate you today. That's the girl in the back. She's the Fifine. He's the Tama. And another one. This is the life in Tonga. Relaxed, humble, celebrating a birthday of an uncle. Everybody working together, making it a family thing. It's awesome. Even I know family members have friends that they don't even talk to their brothers, sisters. 10 years gone by, they don't even say a word to their family members. You know, that's what America does for you. It makes everybody individual and everybody looking out for their own self and not caring about one another. Here in Tonga, family is everything. And I love that about being here. With my nephew here. It's just something that makes me happy. I love coming here. This is, like I said, my 5th time here in Tonga since 1996 with FAI exercising at the FAI Stadium and meeting his wife at the Hufifare in Tekiu, and just meeting up with the Royal Prince in Inglewood, California. It's just meant for me to be around royal family. I just, for some reason, I flock to celebrities. If you know who I am, I'm got pictures of me and many celebrities that are made my acquaintance, and I'm thankful for that. Life is good. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great, blessed day in the kingdom and around the world. Thank you for my viewers. Again, like, subscribe, and share. Amen. Thank you for everything y'all viewers have done for me up in 2 weeks' time. I've exceeded more views and more subscriptions than most people have done in years and years of filming. And I'm thankful because of the Polynesian community, as well as teaching them about the process of becoming a resident visa holder or a business visa holder here in Tonga, which in 2 more days, you know, it's Tongan time. I have to wait. It's on their time. I got the first step out the way. Shh. I got the first step out the way, and step 2 is coming Friday. So that's the beginning of this second process. So things are going well. I've talked to people that said that doing their business and starting it up took them months and months and months just to get to the first process, you know. But I've been pretty blessed to have people in the right places at the right time that are guiding me to accomplish what I want to do. And for that, I'm thankful to those Tongan workers that are helping me get progress moving forward. And have a good day.